Hey guys, Rick with Sonance here, back in our video. In this video we're gonna do the 10-minute drop challenge with a new pack, Lit Sounds 4-in-1. Just to show you it's all you need to make this kind of style of music. So I just got this acapella from Splice, sounding like this.
Slow it down, you got me real good.
So let's set a timer to 10 minutes, starting right now.
Baby,
so let's get it started.
You got me real good.
First we're gonna start off with the drums. So let's set the tempo to 125.
Keep it to myself.
Fit it to tempo.
Baby, slow it down.
Then we're gonna format shift the vocal just a little bit down. With the other boy.
Baby, slow it down.
Just like this. Give the low cut to make sure all the lows are out. So first gonna lay the drums in. We're gonna be using this kick, sounding cool for the pack. Just drag it in, fit the tempo. So first 8 bars gonna be the breakdown. Second the build up, and then the drop. So let's add a clap to it. Fit it to the tempo.
Baby, slow it down, you got me real good, and I'm all worked.
Gonna add it to the second part of the drop as well. Now we're gonna add some groove elements, some hi-hats, snares, and fit it to tempo. Just easy with a pack, just drag it in. And you already have a solid groove going on.
You got me real good, and I'm all worked up. I probably should keep it to myself.
I think only the snare will fit with the vocal.
Baby, slow it down. You got me real good, and I'm all.
So that's for the drums.
Baby, slow it
I need to add some heads to it. Just drag some in. Sounding like this. I guess this one will work, so just lower down the volume. Now just quickly drag in some build elements. We're gonna use another sample pack for it because we don't have some risers in it, so just drag some build elements in. Some snare build.
Keep it to myself. Keep it to myself.
Alright, this will work for now, so fit it to tempo.
Keep it to myself.
So now we got the drums all done. Let's build a chord progression with it. Just lower the volume of the risers. So let's start off with a Reese bass. We're gonna use some presets from the sample pack. So add a new serum in. We're at 6 minutes right now, so just 6 minutes left. I think that will be enough time to finish the track, so start off with this Reese bass. We're working in D minor, so let's start off with the T first.
Baby, slow it down, you got. Baby, slow
then we go up to the third note.
Baby, slow it down, you got me real good.
So this will be the progression, layer it with some other sounds.
You got me real good and I'm all worked up, probably baby slow it down. You got me real good and I'm all worked up,
This sound will work.
baby slow it down. You got
Then we're adding a plot sound to it to add some more rhythm to it.
worked up, probably baby slow it down. You got
Let's go for this one.
all worked up. All worked up, probably baby slow it down. You got me real good and I'm all worked up.
I think I'm going to be using the same rhythm for the bass line as well.
Slow it,
Just subtle it.
all worked up.
Let's automate a cutoff. And copy it over. So that's it for the breakdown real quick.
Baby, slow it down. You got me real good and I'm all worked up.
So now we've got only 4 minutes left to
Keep it to
finish the drop.
myself. Keep it to myself.
So let's copy over the plot rhythm.
Baby, slow it down. You got me real
Right, the filtering didn't work out as well as I thought, so
probably should. Keep it to
let's only do it in the build up.
Keep it to myself.
So for the bass sound, we'll be using presets from Pack. Let's go for this one, sounding quite cool. This is a little bit too low, so let's put it all up 1 octave. Quantize it. Just add some more groove to it. Reverb is a little bit too much, so we'll be lowering down. Let's sidechain to it. Add some more transient to it. Some soft clipping. And a low cut because we're gonna use a separate sub bass. From the pack as well, so just like a sub. Give it a high cut just to make room for the bass line. Somehow the key shifted. But the sub sounds like this, so mix it in. So bass sounds like this. We're going to 40 seconds left, so let's quickly try to make a vocal chop with a vocal sound. Only got 15 seconds left, so add a sidechain and just a lot of reverb. Sounding it is, and time's up right now, so I think it turned out quite cool. So the final sound will sound like this. And just add a master chain to the master. So altogether it will sound like this. Keep it to myself, keep it to myself. Baby, slow it down, you got me real good, and I'm all worked up, I probably should. Keep it to myself, keep it to And that's it for the 10-minute drop challenge. So I think it turned out quite cool. It could use some more work, of course, but this is the final sound. So I hope you like it. If you like the video, please leave a like to see more, and the subscribe button. And I see you all in the next videos.